ఈరోజు టాపిక్స్ సంబంధించి వాట్ అబౌట్ ద మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ మీ. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టాపిక్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ 2 or 3 బిట్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్. సో వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్గా ఈరోజు క్లాస్కి రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత వెరిఫై చేయండి అన్న. వాట్ అబౌట్ ద మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇన్ జనరల్ for counting of articles, use dozen irrespective of the nature of compound, nature of the substances. Dozen bananas, dozen lemons, and a dozen etc. and so on. And to use the dozen, the word dozen, for counting of articles. In similar manner, number of chemists use the mole. It is the unit of mole for counting of atoms, molecules, ions, and so on. So mole is the general unit of counting of atoms, molecules, ions. That is what about the mole? Term of mole meaning. The word mole is discovered by Ostwald in 1896. Mole introduced చేసిన scientist Ostwald in 1896. Now, what is the meaning? Mole is the Latin word. In English, mole means pile. Mole means pile. In Telugu, mole means kuppa. General గా అంటుంటాం కదా, ఒక bundle of particles, a bundle of substances, a group of substances. దాన్ని కుప్ప అంటాం. That means pile. In English, pile. In Latin, pile means mole. That is introduction of mole. Mole అంటే ఏంటి? పాయింట్స్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. కాంపిటేటివ్ అని కాదు, కానీ జస్ట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ మోల్ అన్నది మనకి తెలియాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. అగైన్, మోల్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్, మాలిక్యూల్స్, అయాన్స్, లైక్ యాజ్ అ డజన్. జనరల్ ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ నేచర్ బేస్ చేసుకొని, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని డజన్ అనే వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంటాం. లైక్ దట్ ద వర్డ్ మోల్ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ బై ఆస్వాల్డ్ ఇన్ 1896. The meaning of mole. Mole is the Latin word. In English, pile. Mole means pile. That is introduction. What about mole? So what you learn as per NEET exams? Mole అన్న పదాన్ని సంబంధించి మనం ఏం లర్న్ చేయాలంటే, mole means, for example, atomic mass. 1 mole of atom means 1 mole of atom means it is mass of atom in grams. Mass of atom in grams, that is known as 1 mole of atom. Mass of atom in grams, that is known as absolute atomic weight, లేదా atomic mass, actual atomic mass. So actual atomic mass is equal to relative atomic mass into Avogadro's number. Relative atomic mass is measured in AMU, atomic mass unit. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. That is 1 AMU. 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Then what about the actual atomic mass? For example, actual atomic mass of oxygen is equal to atomic mass in AMU, relative atomic mass relative atomic mass 16 AMU into 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 into 1 mole means it contains 6 into 10 power 23. The total is equal to 16 grams. That is known as 1 mole gram atom of oxygen. 1 mole gram atom of oxygen means 16 grams. AMU measure just that is known as relative atomic mass. Grams measure just that is known as actual atomic mass or absolute atomic mass. That is first concept in mole concept. Mole concept నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన first point. What is the relation between absolute atomic mass and relative atomic mass? Absolute atomic mass means measured in grams. Relative atomic mass means measured in AMU, atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. That is the first concept. Point number 2 in mole concept. Mole concept లో మనం launch చేసినటువంటి second point. Mole concept means mole means it contain 6 into 10 power 23. It contains 6 into 10 power 23 of particle. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 6 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Or 1 mole of CO2 molecule is equal to, it contains 6 into 10 power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. One more example, 1 mole electrons means it contains 6 into 10 power 23 electrons. Or 1 mole ions means it contains 6 into 10 power 23 ions. That is the concept number 2. 1 mole means it having 6 into 10 power 23 number of particles. Whatever it may be. Number of atoms కావచ్చు, molecules కావచ్చు, electrons కావచ్చు, ions కావచ్చు, like that. 1 mole means having 6 into 10 power 23 number of particles. That is concept number 2. Concept number 3. Mole concept లో మనం launch చేయాల్సినటువంటి third point. At STP conditions. STP means 273 Kelvin temperature, 1 atm pressure. At STP conditions, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters or 22,400 milliliters of volume. That is known as gram molar volume. It is also known as mole. So 1 mole means at STP condition, standard temperature pressure at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, any gas occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 milliliters of volume. That is known as gram molar volume. It is also considered 1 mole. That means